Welcome to another video. My name is Kerry, and if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. For my returning subscribers, I appreciate the love that you usually show me here. Today I'm talking live from the village. This is my home now. There are those my new viewers. Today I have to show you around. That's why I've seen like I should take another video so that I show you what's at my village. Thank you. Always hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, share to your friends. I know you have amazing friends outside there. So this is the village, and these are the lovely plants that we usually plant here. And like this one here, this is a coffee. Coffee, we don't have much of it, but our cash crop here is like tea leaves, which is there. That is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Actually, share to your friends. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the love. Continue watching the end. Actually, don't skip the ads. So that's a lovely idea that you would just show me here. Thank you so much. Hello, how are you outside there? So here we are. Good afternoon, everyone. This is our kitchen here. This is our local kitchen, local chickens. Hello, what's up? What's up? How are you outside there? This is our local chickens here. You can see this is how we feed them with these local jerry cans here, like trays. Actually, we have cut them. This is a jerry can of 5 liter, but we have cut it so that we can put the feeds of the chicken. So it's like they have eaten a lot. That's why you can see them like this. They are relaxing. Even the other one is sitting there. So thank you so much. I really appreciate the love that you usually show me. This is the love of the village, how we explore from here to village. Hope you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing. If you are new here, my name is Kerry on this YouTube channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you always for checking me here. Thank you. Our sufuria, like, and today we have like cooked githeri. Githeri is a mixture of corn and beans. And the word githeri came from the Kikuyu family. Those are, but to my language, I don't know how we call them. We call them chiband. But let me open them. This is it. They are still boiling. Wow. They're still boiling. So it's like they are ready, and now they don't have even salt. Locally, we usually eat them like that. We only add salt, or you can fry them and mix them with cabbage or Irish potatoes. And you're gonna have them for lunch or for dinner if you want. Even this one, you can have it with avocado. Yeah, avocado. Yes. Avocado. This is the biggest avocado here. Like this one here, we buy it like $0.5 in our local times here. So I appreciate. So I'm going to cut this one here so that I'm gonna have it with. Yeah. So this is the corn, and I'm going to add avocado. When we add avocado like this. This is how we add here at our village here. So this is it here. Very much amazing. Yeah. So I don't know, leave a comment if you have eaten corn with beans and avocado. But at this I add salt. I add salt. Wow. is how we eat. The taste of the village with the fresh avocado here. Mm. Remember to start kitchen here. I'm back at the village. So this is the taste of the village. When you have avocado, the lunch has just gone like that. Or if you have avocado with the berry, your lunch is just gone, or breakfast. Usually, other people can have it for breakfast, for lunch, or for dinner. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Lovely. Like here, I was showing you that this is our cash crop here. This is where we get our basic needs. But this one here has been plucked. But then we can see this yellow part. This is the. Let me show you. This one is the two. We have to pluck two leaves, and this is the bud. We call this one a bud, as our constant here. Uh, this one is what is good for plucking now. Two leaves and a bud, that's what they usually being taught what they are supposed to pluck. And this is our plantation here. Like this one there, those are sugarcane, but no, they are not that big. Also, we have some bananas, but they are not that much because you can see here in the village it's not a plantation of only one plant, but the other side there you can see we have bananas also. Here in the village we don't miss bananas, and those the other trees there, those are the avocado tree, but they are not ready. So this is the village. Hope you enjoyed the village lifestyle. This is a coffee, but the other sides alongside near Nyanza, they just plant coffee. Also in Kikuyu, they plant coffee. But here, this is a cash crop here. Like now, it has been taken by the government, and maybe they have a good the harvest is good, and like school fees, the parents are not that much complaining. Yeah. Continue watching and feel a big support as I am keeping on bringing more amazing videos from here at the village. So what brought me outside here? Actually, I was saying thank you so much for my subscriber for good support that you gave me. I really appreciate. I can't stop thanking you from outside there, wherever you are. Thank you so much. The love that you just shown me, I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Uh, I don't know what I can say. So, if you are outside there, click the like bell, join my membership so that you get some perks. And that's a better way to support me. I'm going to keep put more much effort from here to the show that I'll bring more amazing videos here. It was just a little brief of it because I'm back at the village now. And thank you so much. Let's continue watching until the end. Don't skip the ads, actually. Thank you. So from here, what you see here, this is nape grass. Usually nape grass is very expensive here. Like when you put a heap of like this from down here like this, just like $3 or 300 shillings. So we have planted like a little bit of it. So you can see it is at the side of the road because we are preserving the soil erosion. That's why we have put them here. And these are the sweet bananas, but they are not ready. Yes. So the weather. And this is corn here. But the someone is not ours. Yeah. It's a full garden like this one here. That's finished how many months? Like 3 months. Like 3 months. I think they are going to be ready like December. That's the harvest is going to be ready. So here we are, taking a short video from this our washroom outside here. It was not like this. You can see it. It is very old, but it has like been renovated. You can see even the trees. They are very green. It's like they have done it. Like I was not there, but I found that they have done so. Like the old iron sheets, don't throw them away. They can help you. Also the tiles, don't throw them away. They can help you to just to fix the door. That's another one there, another tile. So we are using the timbers. These are the timbers, and let's open inside. You may wonder how it is. Wow. So this is it. It's a house, a small house. Here there are iron sheets here, up here, iron sheets, some of the trees here. So it's like preserve your iron sheets. Those old ones, they can help you do fix this shower room here. So that the bit train here, and it's like this. You can shower there. You can stand there and shower. This is the village life also. This is where we usually go. Like this one, so the village there, I know exactly what I'm talking about, and that's it. It has a roof. There's a roof like, yeah, that's the roof, and it has a door when you are inside, like a safety thing. So leave a comment down there if your washroom is like this or your bit latrine is like this here. It's a new one, that's why I've seen like I should show you. Thank you so much. I may end up this video here. Continue supporting your girl. Also, this is our door here. It's like a gate entering the compound. Like, and that one is our dog's house. This one here, it's our dog's house. Actually, there's this one stood outside there, and you know it. Simba, Simba. It's like it is asleep. Gonna show you maybe. So the wafer tree here. So I may end up this video here. Thank you so much for the support. Continue supporting me. I really appreciate it. May we continue praying to each other so that as God help us to move on, so that we give we continue loving each other. That's the best prayers from each and everyone here. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Thank you.